Here's how to connect your WordPress site to Claude using Insightful Pipe MCP. In Insightful Pipe, go to Connectors and click Add Connection. From the available connectors, find and select WordPress. The WordPress connector needs your site URL, username, and an application password. Head to your WordPress admin panel and copy the site URL from the address bar. Paste the URL into the connector form. Now let's create a dedicated WordPress user. In WordPress admin, go to Users and click Add User. Enter Insightful Pipe as the username. Fill in the email, name, and website details. Set the role to editor and click Add User. The user is created. Now edit the user profile and scroll down to the application password section. Enter a name for the application password and click Add Application Password. WordPress generates the password. Copy it and save it securely as it won't be shown again. Back in Insightful Pipe, paste the application password and enter the username you created. With all credentials filled, click Test and Connect to verify the connection. The connection is successful. You'll see the MCP server guide with setup instructions for different clients. Copy the MCP server URL. In Claude, go to Settings, Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the WordPress MCP server URL and click Add. The connector is added. Click Connect to start the OAuth authorization. Authorization is complete. The WordPress connector now shows Configure, meaning it's ready to use. Start a new chat. Ask Claude for a comprehensive WordPress SEO and content organization report. In the prompt, include category structure, tag strategy, media optimization, and site architecture analysis. Claude uses the WordPress MCP integration to query your site data, discovering available content endpoints and fetching the required schemas. And here's the result: a full SEO report with a content organization score, category analysis, and tag strategy review. It also covers media optimization, internal linking, URL structure, and actionable recommendations with a 90-day roadmap. That's WordPress connected to Claude with Insightful Pipe. Get instant content and SEO insights for your site.